Ma'am, your order?
Riya? He's your boyfriend Sanju, na? Yesterday only you called him at home. And here, he's serving here as a waiter.
Hello, Auntie ji.
Namaste, son.
This is for you.
Son, I have heard a lot about you from daughter. Whole day she's talking about you. Come inside. Okay, so you also study with Riya.
Yes, Auntie. We study in the same college.
Sanju is so much talented and hardworking. That's why he is in our college. This your talented boyfriend is working here as a waiter and you brought him to our home. So what wrong I did in this? Making a waiter as your boyfriend, you doesn't find it wrong? No, not at all. See, you don't forget it that your father is very big person of this city. This boyfriend of yours must be earning in 1 month na. Your father earns it in 1 day and donates it to poors. And daughter, relations na should be established according to level only. Mother, the hard work which father is doing na, that hard work Sanju is also doing. Just difference is that he doesn't have any family backup or any security like me. He has no one to earn at home. His father is not well. That's why with studies, he has to do job so that he can send money at his home and can pay his college fees as well. If these things you will say to your father, na, he won't agree at all. He won't accept this kind of boy. You tell me one thing. When father was of Sanju's age, what he was doing? He was a mechanic in an ordinary garage. And today look at him. How big empire he had established of his own. Mom, if father can do, why Sanju can't do? And you also tell everyone so proudly, na, that my husband started with zero and established so big empire. He's a very big businessman today. And I don't understand this thing of you parents. The money which you are earning, the empire which you have established, it took you 40-50 years to do it. How can you expect this from your son-in-law in so less age?
Auntie, I agree that I am not in a good condition today. But I won't always be like this. And I promise you that I won't marry Riya until I become equal to her. But I also want a promise from you that the day I become equal to Riya, you will come to me to give her hand to me.
Mother, however Sanju is, I like him very much. Now I've understood what Riya saw in you. Your self-respect, honesty towards your work, and your hard work. Her father has all the qualities. And my heart says that one day you will also be successful like Riya's father. And son, I promise you, when you will be capable according to my Riya, I will give my daughter in your hands from my hand only. Thank you, Mama. I love you. Love you, daughter.
Auntie, I just need your blessings.
You have my blessing, son.
You said I'll get something for you.